Hi, today I will show you guys how to create a Gmail account on Android. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is literally search in Google, create a Gmail account right here. And here are the results. Then click the second one. So yeah, once you're here, click on create an account. And you will see there's a list of accounts logged in your device. So just click add account to device. And then you have to tap create account again. And then yes, fill in your first name. So I'm just putting here random stuff for example. And the last name is optional, you can leave it like that. Then next, your date of birth, example here, I will put like this, and then your gender. Next, you will need to choose your Gmail address. So there are two options, and if you like it, you can use it. But if you want to choose your own, just tap create your own, and then fill in the password. And then click on next. Then once you're done all that, you'll see this page. If you want to add your phone number automatically, just click I am in button right about here, and then click next. You will see privacy and policy. Scroll down, and then right here I agree button. So that's basically how you create a Gmail account on Android. And now you can log into your Gmail app. So remember to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.